Sometimes we tie our value to how much we do fix or achieve. But your worth isn't about productivity or perfection. It's about who you are. These affirmations are here to remind you gently, in every pause and every breath, that your value isn't up for negotiation, because your worth isn't measured by what you do. I will read each affirmation once. Feel free to repeat after me, or simply listen and let the words settle in. Let's take a breath together before we begin. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Let's begin. I am worthy no matter what I do or don't do. My worth is not tied to my achievements. I don't have to prove my value to anyone. I matter just as I am. I am enough even when I rest. I deserve kindness from myself and others. I am valuable without conditions. I release the belief that I have to earn love. I honor who I am becoming. I deserve to take up space. I am proud of who I am, not just what I do. My being is more important than my doing. I trust that who I am is already complete. I offer myself the same grace I give others. I am not defined by my mistakes. I respect myself deeply. I don't need external validation to feel enough. My worth doesn't depend on performance. I am inherently valuable. I let go of people pleasing to protect my peace. I belong even when I feel unsure. I am whole even when I'm healing. I choose to love myself without conditions. My self-worth isn't up for negotiation. I define my value from within. I honor my boundaries. They reflect my worth. I am not my productivity. I am kind to myself through every season. I validate my own experience. I don't need to be busy to be worthy. I give myself permission to feel enough. My voice matters. My needs are valid. I trust myself to grow in my own way. I hold space for myself without judgment. I don't have to be perfect to be powerful. I am valuable in both stillness and action. I release the need to earn rest. My identity is not based on others' opinions. I show up as myself, that's enough. I deserve love, even when I feel low. I choose to be proud of who I am today. I measure my life with compassion, not comparison. I let go of unrealistic expectations. I offer myself gentle encouragement. I celebrate who I am becoming. My worth shines from within. I can rest without guilt. I trust the quiet power of being myself. I hold my head high because I know my worth. I no longer shrink to fit in. I am becoming the person I choose to be. I am worthy of good things, always. I carry value that no one can take away. I treat myself with care and respect. I am deserving of peace and joy. I belong in this world exactly as I am. My worth is constant even in uncertainty. I honor my story and my strength. I am already enough. Take a moment to feel your presence in this space. You don't need to perform to be worthy. You simply are. Thank you for choosing yourself today. Thank you for being here with me at Happiley. Repeat this session every day for 21 days and watch your worth grow quieter, stronger, and more certain. Let this be your gentle beginning. You can always return to this space whenever you need.